InfoZoom offers a great variety of analysis options to answer any question. For example, I want to find out how many employable customers our branch in New York has. I divide our customers into different age groups for this purpose. I can create classifications by means of a new attribute. First, I delete the predefined classes and then define my own classes. Customers under or at the age of 17 will be labeled underage. The corresponding values automatically receive this label in InfoZoom. Customers aged between 18 and 65 will be labeled employable. I confirm my entry by clicking the green check mark. All customers over that age will be labeled retired. After I have created the new attribute, the classes are shown below the age attribute. To find out how many customers a class contains, I create a summary. To do so, I select the customer number first and then the class age attribute. On the Analysis tab, I then select the count summary. A new attribute is created which shows the number of customers per customer class. We have a total of 3,368 employable customers. To find out how many of them belong to our branch in New York, I zoom into the branch New York with a double click. I can see at a glance that there are 518 employable customers in New York. By clicking Reset, I reset my selection to answer the next question. We need customer segmentation, which includes the criteria sales and age. I create a new attribute with a case differentiation for this purpose. First, I delete the existing cases, then I click the button to create a new case. Next, I select the relevant attributes with the crosshair and insert the conditions. If the age is less than 35 and sales are greater than 100,000, that's case A. I confirm this case and create another segment. I can do this by editing my previous entry. If the age is less than 55 and sales are greater than 10,000, that's case B. To insert the last segment, I click New Case. I enter Yes to automatically group all remaining entries into case C. Finally, I define that the new attribute is to be placed below the previous customer class and then create the attribute. Now I want to find out how many customers have been grouped into a different customer class due to the new segmentation. I create a new formula attribute for this purpose and define that the new case attribute equals the customer class attribute. Yes values will be displayed as filled circles, no values as empty circles. All values marked no have been grouped into a different customer class due to the new segmentation. By zooming into the attribute, I can see that this applies to 1,321 customers. Now I want to use a graphic analysis in which I can do any kind of search. For example, I want to know how much sales we generate in London in the corresponding age groups and customer segments. On the Start tab in the Queries section, I open a predefined analysis, in my case, the customer analysis. 4 value lists for searching are opened, a report containing the number of customers per age group, and a chart showing the sales per customer segment. I can do any kind of search here. By double-clicking Private Clients and London, I can zoom into the desired sections to answer any question. The graphic analyses are automatically adapted to my selection so that I can immediately see the answer.